Hi everyone, welcome to BISP Trainings. My name is Faiza Alam, and in this session we'll be knowing about the marketing campaign, how these campaigns are managed, what is the utility of creating such campaigns. So marketing campaigns are organized and planned efforts that are used to promote a specific company goal, such as raising awareness of a new product or capturing customer feedback. Its basic aim is to reach out to the potential customers, and it involves a combination of media, that is email, print advertising, TV, radio advertising, etc. There can be various types of marketing campaign. It can be by the name of product marketing campaign, then brand development campaign, email marketing campaign, public awareness campaign, direct marketing campaign, and many more types are available there. So basically, these marketing campaigns are created to manage the sales drive and track the revenue that has been generated through the required sales. Its examples can be an advertisement in the local newspaper or an email message that is sent to the customer who purchased during last year's sales events. There can be various events into the business. So how much goods or products have been purchased by the required customers, it can all be tracked with the help of marketing campaign. Along with that, these campaigns are used to manage the online and offline marketing initiatives. We can create and send email marketing messages. We can send promotions through mail and manage advertising campaigns. So prior to creating a marketing campaign, goals such as return on investment should be defined so that the campaign effectiveness can be measured in a proper way. So how can we create a campaign records? For that reason, we'll go into list, marketing. Here we have the marketing campaign option. So these are the already created ones. So if we want to create a new one, so we'll click on this new option. So this is the marketing campaign page. The form is already selected. We have to define the title. Then we have to define the category for our required campaign. So there are various other categories that consist of broadcast, radio, it can be TV, or it can be related to various other mails, direct mail, email, newsletter, referrals and all. So we can select the required category here. So I am selecting here this online. Then start date is already populated. We can define the end date here. Then we can also select a base cost of it. Then how much revenue can be expected from such campaign? We also have to define this. Then under verticals, here we have to select the marketing vertical that we are targeting with this campaign. So these are all the verticals. Then promotion code can also be selected that are used for the purpose of making promotions. Going down under the events. So what are events? So campaign events basically can be used when a single marketing campaign has several distinct phases or channels into it, and we can schedule the time and date of a campaign event here. When we want to send the emails to so many recipients, so we can define those time frame here. So under the events, we have to define the target group. In our previous session, we have seen how the groups can be created. So that so this group I have created previously. So I am attaching it here. Along with that, we can also attach a template for our event. I am taking this one. Subscription can also be selected. It is a mandatory field here. So I am selecting this marketing. Channel is selected as email. We can also define the cost if we want to. Status, you can see that it is not started here. So for status, we have these options available. If I click on execute and if I define time and date here, these are already selected by default. So if we define any of the time and if I click on this execute, so the email would be sent to the required recipient who are falling within this SSCT group. So usually, since we are in a demo environment, so I will leave it as not started. If we want to send the emails to the required recipient, so we can leave this or select the execute option here. So I am selecting not started. Define and sorry, date and time can be defined here. So this is about the event, and after this we will click on save in order to save our record. So our campaign has been saved now. This is the one that we have created. Its name is there. We also have we define the cost and expected revenue to it. So if we go and view it, so you can see that previously this statistic tab is not was not available or visible there here, but after creating this campaign, this tab is available that defines the total revenue, how much ROI has been generated and how much profit has been generated, leads, purchasers. So all these things can very well be tracked with under the statistic when we save the record. Since we have created it just now, that is why it is not showing us any results right now. So this is how we can create the marketing campaign. So, and within the marketing campaign, we have so many things like marketing verticals, audience. So how can we set those things? We'll go into setup, marketing. You can see that under campaign management, we have the option of campaign categories, audience verticals, channels, offers. So all these things can be set over here. And after after creating these records, we can attach it or assign it to the required things under our marketing campaign. So that is the utility and the process of creating a marketing campaign in the NetSuite application. Thank you.